Good morning, all of you. I was explaining you the diagram of derivation of saving function that we were doing. Okay, so yesterday I had explained you people the diagram. All right. So in that diagram, first we have to draw the diagram of consumption function, and then from that diagram we will derive the diagram of saving function. Is it clear? Now, consumption function diagram is y is equal to c plus s, and consumption starts from the intersect A and it slopes upward because consumption and income are directly related. So C is equal to A plus small c y. Is it clear? Then here they are intersecting. So this is G, which is a break-even point, and suppose this is y naught. Okay, because here we are showing income and here we are showing consumption expenditure. Alright, so this is the diagram of consumption expenditure where C is greater than Y this side and this side C is less than Y. Okay, and yesterday I told you before G your consumption is higher than income. Alright, so till your consumption is higher than income, your saving will be below the x-axis. So your saving will be below the x-axis. Means this A intersect. Here will also be the A minus A. Okay, and saving will also start from the intersect but below the x-axis. Okay, now you have to extend this line till down, and this is your y naught. Alright, and your saving line will be negative. Your saving line is negative till G point, till y naught. Okay, because till your saving is greater than your income, still your consumption is greater than your income, it is not possible to have the saving. That's why the saving is below the x-axis. It is negative. Alright, then this is the break-even point. Here your consumption is equal to income. When whatever income a person the economy is earning, the whole income the economy is spending on consumption. So if income is equal to saving, then is equal to consumption, then here your saving is equal to 0. But after G point, as I told you, is a break-even point. When consumption becomes less than income, then actually your saving starts and it slopes upward. It slopes upward. Is it clear? This is called saving, and saving is difference between the level of income and consumption expenditure. That is the formula of saving that I have already given you people. This we consider as upper panel of the diagram. This we consider as the lower panel of the diagram. Okay, and this is consumption function, and with the help of consumption function we are deriving the saving function. Is it here? So here on y-axis will show saving, and here will show income. Here will show income. Is it clear? Now, so derivation of saving function. First you have to draw this diagram. From the diagram it is clear that saving function is derived from consumption function. How it is derived from consumption function? You see that when consumption is greater than income, your saving is below the horizontal axis, it is negative. When consumption becomes equal to income, then your saving is zero. When consumption becomes less than income, then actually your saving starts. Is it clear? So, saving function is derived from consumption function. First fact. Second fact, the difference between the desired consumption expenditure and the level of income is actually what? Saving. Consumption function is shown on upper panel, and saving function is shown on lower panel. Okay? So this much you people have to understand here. Is it clear? So now today, write on the topic derivation of saving function and draw this diagram. Then I'll tell you what you people have to write below the diagram. Alright? So all of you please draw the diagram. Now, after drawing the diagram, write down the explanation. Write down from the above diagram, it is clear that, write all of you and see the video twice at least so that you will able to, write down the explanation properly. Alright? So write down, from the above diagram, it is clear that saving function which is shown in lower panel, saving function which is shown on lower panel is derived from consumption function which is shown in upper panel. Full stop. So what I have said, from the above diagram, it is clear that saving function which is shown on lower panel is derived from consumption function which is shown on upper panel of the diagram. Full stop. Then write, saving function is the difference between level of income and desired consumption expenditure. Level of income and desired consumption expenditure. Full stop. Full stop. Okay. Now what you people have to do? You have to draw. We have taken Y naught level of income. One level of income we will take before G, one level of income we will take after G. So I am taking one level of income here. Suppose this is Y1, alright, and I will extend it till here. This is your Y1. One level of income I will take after G, okay, that is, this is Y2, and I will extend it till here. I'll write here Y2. Is it clear? And then we'll take OY1, OY0, and OY2 to explain the shape of saving. Okay? So two facts you people have written. You people have written from the above diagram, it is clear that saving function is derived from the consumption function. First, then second you people have written, saving function is the difference between desired consumption function and the level of income. Full stop. Then you have to explain first the shape of saving line. Okay, the shape of saving line, or few people have to explain the shape of saving line, which is sloping upward. So write down third fact. Full stop. Right, the saving line is sloping upward. The saving line is sloping upward because there is direct relationship between desired saving and the level of income. Because there is, I told you the first property of the saving function. because there is direct relationship between the desired saving and the level of income. Full stop. Okay. Now we'll take first OY1 level of income, we'll take OY0 level of income, we'll take OY2 level of income. Okay. So we have written certain facts of the diagram. Now change the paragraph and write. At OY1 level of income, desired consumption expenditure is greater than level of income. At OY1 level of income, what do people will write? At OY1 level of income. Okay, we'll start with at OY1 level of income. What is the condition at OY1 level of income? Consumption is greater than income. So, right, at OY1 level of income, desired consumption expenditure is greater than the level of income. That is why the saving line is below the horizontal axis. That is why the saving line is below the horizontal axis, means the saving is negative. Full stop. Then write, change the paragraph, then write at OY not level of income. At OY not, and take the second one. At OY not level of income, desired consumption expenditure is intersecting the level of income line. At OY not level of income, desired consumption expenditure is intersecting the income line at point G. Means whatever income the economy is having, the total income it is using for consumption expenditure. Full stop. That is why the saving line is intersecting the horizontal axis. The saving line is intersecting the horizontal axis. That is, saving is zero. Full stop. We have explained OY2. Now, we need to explain the next one. That is OY0 we have explained. Now we will explain OY2. So write down at OY2 level of income. What is the condition? The level of income is greater than the desired consumption expenditure. That is why the saving line, the saving is increasing. That is why the saving is increasing and it is positive. Full stop. So this is how we have to write the explanation of the saving function. Alright. So those who have problem can write a comment. Okay. Otherwise, you just complete the notes of this, and this is the complete diagram. Alright. And complete the full explanation. Whatever is, and see the video twice at least so that you will be able to complete the notes. Okay.